beautiful Tata people, we back again with another special Mtata Mchana podcast. Yeah, boy. Namhlanje we here. Sivizitele Mr. X Mkhuluwa. He's having a birthday. As you see, everyone is in all black. Wonke black. Siyakhipha. Andizonibonisa yonke into, but zanibonisa yonke into irrelevant. Like who I got with me namhlanje. This i-brothers zami ngabantu nabama kodwa ke ngabakhuluwa bona okanye kwabanye benu. But yeah man, I got my brothers with me, but as always asithi bangobani ngabo abazotsho bangobani kwenzekani bafethu ni grand. Yeah man, yeah thetha nabani.
Ndimloni ngumuntu Spura locally. I'm a wanted member, a very great dancer. So sikuye kule game bafethu ndihamba namachitam azoxelela. Ayo Mtata, this is POSITIVE, positive, as you all know. Yeah, and lapha ku wanted bese sizonixelela kanene, but ke bayivethu niyayazi ngoku. Yeah, this is Yonela positive guys.
Ayo, this is H.M. Koboli, the first piece of the puzzle. Yamani wanted, besechila machitama won't be long.
So.
Yo, this is your boy Lita Sito. Amani wanted the machitam, you know the drill.
Yeah, yabona abafethu. That's how you do it. But game nage simthathe. So Mtata sinesiduko. So I just need ngenye mina ungadibani nomzala yabo. So yeah man, first and foremost ngikubhukula mina umkhwanazi umhlophe osisitha yabo. That's me. But yeah, who are you?
Udlovu losihle kanxa solumali somuntu ngogengezi lo ngabe emahlubeni mina abantu. Ya nguNozulu umchumana umpafana lona. Ya mina ndingowangapha edutya. So
Ndidibaniso dlangisa othole lenkomo kunye nodlamini ejamakashado fakade anindiva namadoda.
okay.
Ngabani sikuthi ngabane mhlane lona all the way from eNqobo.
Ivile. That's how we do it, guys. You see, it feels good. Yeah, I got cousin Yama. So exactly. Hey, folks, man. Yeah. Okay, brothers. Otherwise, you having a good time.
I want the experience as if money happen with TIX, and we're here to perform. Besides, we're here to work. Yeah, bro. Yeah, as much more saqala uset vibe. Otherwise, we feeling good. Yeah, siyabulela kakhulu ngoba sibela apha sayivuyela lonto leyo to TIX. Lonto leyo it means a lot to us mkhulwa wami. I hope now usifila mnandi.
Ayo ndimnandi as long as ndisenza lo msebenzi ndimnandi. Ekuseye bra baba baye bantu kakasipanisela niphelele kanje.
No bra masiphelelanga yazi, but abanye abantu bethu abekho lapho, like abanye bagodukile due to home situations and all that. So bakhona bakhoya apho but bebesalungisa izinto zethu due to the fact yoba sisandofika kwalapho. So yeah, we have to be ready for everything.
Yes sir. Yeah, number one. Mr. Teller, uyadlala namhlanje?
Hayi for sure ngiyadlala namhlanje. Bukeli wanted sebengipasa maqosheni, you know it.
Hayi bros, inhlizalo into podcast engoma yabo, engaging everyone, especially comment everyone yabo. So yeah, for someone who doesn't know uba wanted indoni, cela uwanena nje yabo, fast and quick nje.
Okay guys, yeah. Hey, you wanted 5-star. Okay guys, you wanted 5-star. It's an art company. The art company that works with various art forms sizi-actors, sizi-dancers, musicians, i-writers, i-poets. We do various art forms mkhulu wami, but ngoku si-based on i-dance kakhulu nomculo, as banizobona as the night goes by. Namhlanje sizobe siniphathela umshunqo, umdanso, then and i-present khona nje present esiniphathele yona namhlanje. So we wanted, it's all about that.
Alright. Hey, zamushukulele yakhala producer ba. Okay. For abantu abazabukele namhlanje, is birthday ka Mr. Xmos. Just a message. Who's good with those? Message. Send a message. Yes, sir.
Firstly, I would like to thank UTAX for welcoming us. Sisangena pha because eyona nto iyabaluleka kuthi and iyahlala kuthi sithe sisepha UTAX wangumuntu osoyayo and sicela uyibulela lona and sicela ubulela for i-platform because not anyone was willing ba asoloko esinika lento senza lento siyithandayo, but UTAX uhlale nenimba ba khanenze lento nidume ngayo majita. We are very grateful for basibelapha and we hope UTAX I-enjoy imini yakhe namhlanje because yonke lento ingayo.
Yeah, and one thing siyambulela about siyabona i-local artists khona uDynasties obani, yeah, uyasupport uBrown Mthatha kakhulu and londo le siyayibulela kakhulu uTAX. Yeah, shout out to iHotman Endala.
Yes sir. Okay. Bantu banifumana njani space yagqiba madoda?
Bantu basifunayo, you can find us on Facebook _wanted 5-star, TikTok _wanted 5-star, Instagram wanted 5-star.
Yes sir. Wanted 5-star, 5-star, 5. Yeah, we are both going to say.
It's like 5, as in like 5.
Okay, so it's wanted 5 number. So this time, I mean, this time is STA. Yeah, because I want to be very searching those. Okay. Thank you so much, brothers. I wish you all the best. STA in Namhlanje. Yeah, man. Bobby, I ain't man. You see, you got the cat got fresh prints. You know what I mean? Let's go. Hey yo, we back again with another special. Look who I got with me. My nigga, Ukraine. Sharp fit, Ukraine. Yeah, I'm fine, really. Sharp Graham. I know you know me. But for the people that don't know, who are you? First question of the day. Excuse me. I know, collect. First question of the day, Brian. Okay, my real name, the name from birth, is PK. Okay. My parents, Anbiza Upuka. Okay. Yeah. Because Upuka, I born at 4 or 16. Yes, sir. Yeah, that weird class in the morning. Yeah, that's my name. Yeah. So my surname is Lithuania, but I'm a Sutu. Yeah, you see, check. Yes, sir. Yeah, my name is Mufukeng. I grew up in Mthatha, but my parents are from Lesotho. You know. Yes, sir. So basically, Xhosa is my language, my added language on top of Sutu. Okay. So when I grew up, I came to write with English. You check. Okay. Yeah. So
English, it taught me a lot of things.
Wait. I wanna kill that. I know where you want to go. But bruh, it's not a clear name, Carl, before we get to other things. Yes.
Mufukeng wakata spirit ba khojala ba titimela mo butleng. Hayi.
Okay, man. PK, for the people that don't know, when's Anono na Brian?
Bra, mna ndiku entertainment and fitness.
Yes, sir.
But the major one is entertainment because it's what people love.
When's Anono about entertainment?
Entertainment, I'm a DJ.
Yes, sir.
I'm a promoter. Yeah, I provide with sound. That's why I'm the operator.
Aye, the operator. PK, the operator. Silava Mr. X namhlanje. Siyakhipha message to umkhuluwa.
Tax has helped a lot of people, including me, to be exposed in the entertainment industry. So X is massive. We can't compare just
Ungathini kuye kaloku for tonight. A thank you message, anything.
I think we message thank you for bringing this kind of party because as I'm at 2K we need this kind of entertainment. So as DJs it's our opportunity to showcase our talent. So siyakubulela bra because wenze lento zange yenziwe kuwe to show that you care about the entertainment industry.
Nice. I like that. For abantu abafunayo komkhulu wami bakufumana njani?
Okay, bra, ku-social zami zonke I'm PK the operator but I'm still in Facebook. Facebook ngingukhuka Nkahle, PHOKALEH.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I know. That's fine. Bazakufumana. That's why ndiyenza a certain brief.
Sure.
We don't got time. Ndifuna ukukhulula so that you can get to the festivities. Brian, ndabulela kakhulu. I hope you enjoy. Ijeni yakho ibenhle kakhulu, man. Yeah, man. Stop it. Hey yo, we back again with another one. I got another brother with me, of course. Banyayazi ke mnaki. Anditsho ba ngubani umuntu uyazazisa ngokwakhe. Manega, you right? Sha Brian, you know me. Nale platform lenza Mthetha Mchana. But for the people that don't know you, nabantu bakwamthetha Mchana, please man, talk to the camera. Ungubani?
Hayi, igama lami nguAvela wakwaBhodlani. Akubane ne-MC Mo abantu abandaziyo. Yeah, Dim Low.
Yeah man, Simo Avela wakwaBhodlani. Brother yam Semthatha. And the podcast is all about knowing each other. So I need that clear name. I need to know which tribe you represent. You know what I mean? So that abantu bakho phana basalute.
I know ngugaba lo Tithiba uCiwoshe umuntu omlambo uNozinga umSuthu mandeni ikhawu labo ndonqenpe ngitsala kakhulu njami noko bandivile.
Yes sir. Khona ne kumnandi kwazi. Brother yam just to keep it going. Silapha namhlanje Mr. X uthi hayi ngibona oBlack come through. Funny enough khona into ethi there were 15 women that were murdered every day, so khona nento ku-strike nyana njalo yenzeka. So it's like a movement for the ladies supporting the women. So I feel like it's amazing just the timing. For you Mr. X uzayibukela lena. The team izayibukela, the team yakhe namhlanje. Sithini kubo.
Hey bruh, I'm for whatever, anything that is good bruh. Anything emalungana ngabantu bruh outside ekufuneke ilungisiwe cacaba thini ihamba ecaleni bruh. I'm for that. I support yonke le yenzekayo. Just can't buy thing yabo ba yantoni okanye.
No, I'm not saying but it's something I was like looking online, but it's about the Conway Angel. I was like, okay, it matches with even the combo and namhlanje.
Nah, it's more like a coincidence. But I know, bruh. Now I approve, bro. Silapha ngoku sizobonwaba so support our ex kuyo yonke lento ayenzayo, bruh.
Yes, sir.
So whatever outcome ezokwenzeka namhlanje just ukuba into ezoba great.
Message to him.
No, X, bruh, you doing your thing, man. Shout out to you, X, freshest of them all, the freshest and Tata. You know how he does, man. You know how he does it, man. It's X, bro.
Kuthiwa hungu. X. Yes, sir. Abantu abakufunayo Brian bakufumana njani?
No, ndiyafumaneka ku Facebook, Avela Simo Botlani. Instagram, it's Simo_ZA. That's ZA and A. You know what I'm saying? ZA, yeah. Then I go Twitter brand of Manega Simo_RSA. No, it's SIMOA. You know, simple like that.
Yes, sir. My brother, I hope you have a beautiful night. Yabulela kakhulu
Listen, my guy.
Bless you, Tiko. Akwandasele nalapho uthatha khona Brian.
Listen, qhubeke nalewe yakho, bro.
Thank you. Can you say for the camera, Tata Mchana Podcast?
Tata Mchana Podcast, we live. Siyapha enkandla ngoku. Let's rock shit up, bro. Make rains, bemnandi.
Yes, sir. Hey yo, beautiful Tata people, we back again with another one. Look who I got with me. Can join the man, better the beautiful queen of clubs, queen of SA hip hop. It's not a cap, it's a fact. You know what I mean? But I listen to little bang bani. Funeka yena as per ritual yasemthatha Mchana Podcast. Asikelela uba ungubani. Sisi wami right namhlanje. I'm good. Ungamind wethu mphethe nefoni nenzela basivakale phaya bo. Yeah man. My name is Loco. Yazi. But I got this podcast, Mthatha Mchana. So I said, hi man, let me holla, Stibanapa, say Mr. X. Tell the people, man, who is this queen?
Ayos, numalagay wan logo spinover. In fact, ngata bandiva. Neyaloy, ngata bandiva. London sa tunya na seniniva. Nphelela ngapha uphila mcimbi kudala ndubiza. Bayan vivinya ndikisha nyaka ntinginginya badla ngendebe ndala ndidlangayo mna yinjikitsha. Bano believer xa nofika sengiqhuma isintshiza ndiyibuzile imali okobe ngicaciselwa masimba. Yela, sana mandini boy.
Alright. Okay, no malaga. But yeah, man, Mthatha Mchana is all about this. We understand entertainment life. We understand all that. But no malanga. Kumabani.
Chanamna ndumatumu mamthome numalwandle singancanya. Ugagane. Nikwele. Ayos. Ngamthini mthana amathomeni walandla umathole boy lwandla lwela zinkonjane zodwa zona zinamaphiko mthanami ubakho flying ekuthini mthanami ekuthini mthanami wani
Yeah. You know I love Jonga imandi kanje podcast yami is that it's still recording imandi kanje is that as much as we know each other masazaneni like singabantu asonikazi actually singabantu
at the end of the day
you understand so singabantu nje masazane in that sense
umzekelo mthanami nungubani ungumntu wena
for sure sorry bekumebadana introduce
yela
ukugula lo mkhwanazi yabona chief iphaya Don't mess.
Gajini.
Khona simhlophe wosisi.
Ngazongikizela
Sisuka ngapha ke thina isikisiki but silapha eMthatha sakhulela Okay, message to Mr. X for tonight.
Mr. X yabulela ngoyibambe lapha entertainment industry yasemthatha wenza kakhulu ukhulumani. We thank you for the opportunity. We thank you for supporting the youth. Siyayazi dem siyazama and nguwo sivela umzekela line up yakhe namhlanje uyibonile deyami lawoba he's putting on the keys baba. Umzekela bayosela stage noma uyintsomla way low again.
Profiles zabo zonke automatic. You know what I mean?
Siyabulela deyami. Thank you so much and happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Okay, faka nabafunayo I know I'm sure sebebonile by MC le bakufumana njani ku socials?
Sanami ningu Dynasties. Kubone Dynasties ku Facebook, Instagram, ku Twitter naphi nayo yonke indawo na ku TikTok search Dynasties noma la kayiwana ospinova noma la kunelebe kuba msetha ku Google uzofika epha.
Yes man, you heard it from her man.
Andini
Let's say for the camera, Mthatha Mchana podcast.
Mthatha Mchana podcast.
Thank you so much. Yeah man, enjoy your night. Yeah man.
Let's go.
We back again with another special. Kanjona abantu mphethe bani? Udali Masambe. Masambe sepalito. Tusawakhela umuzi wakho. Sibalo khona. Andifuna ngixelele bangibani. Elpay culture yethu kenayazi. Mthatha Mchana podcast. We here, Mr. Dingo, uhle mkhulu wami.
Right, akona kunjani?
Akhona mkhulu wami. Mkhulu wami, we're doing the podcast Mthatha Mchana. Sithini mfowethu? Si right kanje? Sure, okay. We're doing the podcast Mthatha Mchana podcast. So nje abantu bethu bakhalela ukwazi ke. Abantu sidibana naba. Wena local uhambe wathina bemthatha dibene nabantu. So mkhulu wami yaniva ndiyayicula. But for someone who doesn't know you,
Shosho, mandilibulele lithuba qala Mthatha Mchana podcast.
Yes sir.
Lona ngu Mr. Dingo, inzalelwana yalapha eMthatha. The king of East Afro Maskandi. Masingayishile indawo because kaloku uMr. Dingo uintroduce igenre entsha apha eEastern Cape ekuthiwa iEast Afro Maskandi. Hofuke ineya lapha eEastern Cape qha mandithi yeyomhlaba wonke jikelele. Yeah. Yemlo.
Yes sir. Kulua and funi usaline Khulman. Get in the picture. Kuhle mkhulu wami.
Kuhle phopho kunjani?
Akhona mkhulu wami. Kalo mkhulu abantu bayabona Mr. Dingo usoyama nomkhulu. Abantu mkhulu for the people that don't know you. Umbani wena mkhulu wami.
Okay, uayandandakisa lona comedian yenu isithongthongo esikhulu.
Yes sir.
Niyayazi njengoba nindazi nje comedian but ke Mr. Dingo wanibamba wafuna unitsalela kwelicala lomculo. In fact uyabona manje sibhikela ufuna unisaka kuma million. Then what you grow this.
Yes sir. But Mthatha Mchana sinenye segment pha. Kamnandi ni into culture and everything. khonmanzi izithuko zibalekile so that abantu bakowenu ababukele bayazi so Mr Dingo please
ya ngumsame lo usukude ukhondwana uxarhela phezulu ndim lowo
Joza
yes
Khuluwa
udlamini lo ujama kasijadi ucubungulasha unomana lo isise elikhulu elimnyama kutsona
bendicimfa makazazi
okay
akayifihlanga laa nto yakho siphi stretch
since ndaye Dubai kwesaa strato sasebhalita ahlukana nezonto uyandiva isijojo nasheke
okay khomanzi ngiyabulela khomanzi silapha ku Mr X ibirthday yakhe just umyalezo kuye
ndifuna ukuthi mna happy birthday to you happy birthday to you happy birthday to you MC happy birthday to you wakhawuleza wancama ngoko yamazi ngodwanguza
abantu abafunayo ke ku social media bafumana njani amakhulu aba
sha masuka lapha kumo uqala ndiyafumaneka pha ku TikTok and ngu@1mr_dingo ndifumaneka napha ku Facebook ndingu-Mr Dingo uMr wam uno-MRR space Dingo ndifumaneka na ku Instagram ku@1mr_dingo yes
we won no Mr Dingo
we won
all right khona nami
u-ayandandakisa 87 ku TikTok ku Facebook ungu-ayandandakisa kuphela fumane lapho kuphela mnganawo
nivile ke ayindimotshileyo bathilo bona bakhuluwa we leave it at that bakhuluwa ndiyabulela kakhulu hopefully uThixo in fact I know uThixo uzonblessa kwande kwalapho nithatha khona bakhuluwa wami ndiyabulela kakhulu impexesha yeah man okay for the camera let's say Mthatha Mtshana podcast
Mthatha Mtshana podcast
back again with another special. Jongani man phethe bani. Yabo? But ke Thatha Mtshana podcast asithi ubani. Sicela wena sisi wami. Right.
Kaphela kwathi njani?
Akhona sisi wami. Igama lami ngilunga wakwaMatikane. Ngimubhukula na umkhwanazi umhloko sisitha. Mkwali eli. Sisi wami ndinale podcast ngiyenzayo Thatha Mtshana. As you know me as Local Connects it.
Yes.
Yeah. So nale podcast ngiyenzayo Thatha Mtshana. Abantu bethu silaba sisupport Mr X bafuna ukwazi nje ba wena sisi wami ungubani. Yabo.
Hi everyone, igama lami ngubani Rickly elona laziwayo le stage. I'm a DJ, but ke since ke ubhude beke wazithutha nami ndizozithutha ndingodlamini uzizo phakathi ingqonobo ijama kaSjadi into egqotha abhaca ngizothethe wathiwa izovula hayi ke uphithisile. Yeah, I'm a DJ, Afro-Tech DJ and I'm a piano DJ.
Yes ma'am. Okay. Hey, mbethile ncane. Okay.
Into nilibeleyo.
What's up?
First born kaZenhle kwaYimani le.
Yeah. Hello Zinhle.
Hayi mame.
Hello mame.
Hayi momeze.
Sikusa stage sakho ubukhwela kuso.
Eze bethweka kuso. Ukhwela yenye into eze begwencela kuso.
Yes ma'am. Okay sis wami. What does it take for uBani asuke from rock bottom to where you are right now? I mean we see you uyadlala kwindawo ezininzi. Qale njani? Kwenzekani?
I started ukudjya last year November. So ndinonyaka ndidjya.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, ndiphendula. Ndinonyaka ndidjya right now. And my inspiration to be a DJ ngu-Uncle Waffles.
Yes ma'am.
Even though ndingadlali istyle sakhe, but my inspiration umuntu one-energy emeshana nam okwazi ukudjya aphume stage ayojiva entertain i-crowd aphinde abuye ayodjya is Uncle Waffles. So ndiye ndathatha ezaa mfundiso zakhe then created my own style ndadlala le ndlela yam ndidlala ngayo because yena udlala amapiano which is mna ndidlala afrotech, afro house namapiano.
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. Jonga. Now I only wish you nothing but success.
Thank you.
But now, Slab has invited Mr. X. What are we saying to Mr. X? As ubani, message yakho to Mr. X.
Oh mani, uxola. Uxola is such a humble guy. So kuye ngifuna ukuthi enkosi ngokundifundisa ukuba humble, enkosi ngokundifundisa ukusebenza nabantu, enkosi ngokundifundisa uposta i-events noba i-events zihamba njani because le industry is not easy. So ku-X happy birthday, ukhule mfana kuthi, stay humble and kamnandi ungudlamini. So igazi. Yeah, ahlale humble engumuntu wabantu and I wish him nothing but uba akhule more.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, Buns. So for abantu abakufunayo.
You can follow me kuzo zonke socials zami ndinegama eliyi-1 Bani Rickley. Abantu abakakwazi ukuspela uRickley is RICKLEE.
Yes.
So Bani BUNNY Bani Rickley.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I got a trick question. Hebrews,
It's fine, you can ask.
Bani, love life yakho. Don't describe it, Leona, with either a rose or a liquor bottle.
Damn, I think liquor because yekuyabheda kwezothanda when it comes to me.
Yeah, people have liquor bottles.
Le ndiyiselayo kaloku iHennessy ayikho enye imayikha.
But is yakhipha nje ngayenezi.
But kaloku andikwazi ukuthi rose. Okay, maybe I can say rose because i-roses xa zikhula zi-bright then ziye zishinke ziphele. So currently phelile lwam uthando.
Oh, ding 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 ding.
Hayi guys, badlalile ngam. Hayi badlalile ngam swe.
Yazi ngiyadlala bantwana. Yabona nje look. She's a 10. Okhaya wenza 360. Come on. Yes ma'am. Yes. Jonga available. Cha nje bena le man.
Uthando.
Yeah, inhliziyo but mina ngithanda ba aphathe grand man.
Yeah.
Yabo aphathe grand and umuntu ezophatha grand massive.
Bambe yona.
Yabo.
Bambe
Short
yona.
man. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank
you.
We love you so much.
Bye Mchana podcast.
Okay, message us to.
Bye Mchana podcast.
back again with another special Mthatha Mtshana podcast. Bandasekhaya kanjonge mani niphethe bani Godman the elder but as always abakushow asibatsho abantu Khuluma, we want you to talk to the people. It's locked. Hey, that's cool. That's cool. Anyways, Khuluma apha kum. But ke niyayazi podcast yethu. Podcast yethu iwani. Asitho umuntu ba ungubani, umuntu yazisho uba ungubani. Mkhulu wami, kuhle namhlanje. Uthi sakuza kwami. Akhona mkhulu wami, igama lami Lunga kwaMatikani. Ngubhukula mina umkhwanazi umhlobo wosisithi. Uyandazi mkhulu wami, but ke nale show ngenzayo, Mthatha Mtshana podcast. So siyahamba nje eMthatha sidibana ne-individuals, businessmen like yourself, yabo. Sisive nje ba umkhulu osiphathele ndoni. So the first question I have for you namhlanje, umkhulu walo laba phambi kwethu kubani? For abantu abangakwazi.
Okay, hanokhuleka lo mumeya phambi kwenu nekusexo kwaMagida. I-artist enkulu la beMthatha yabo. So uthe nxa usichaza wasichaza kahle wasichaza ngendlela eyiyo. Xa umuntu ezichazile awukwazi bona ungakwazi udlulisa nayo lonto leyo awuyikhanga nje esimeni. Kwathi lo uthikela uNoni Mtswebane noma ndikwele umvale uDabisi.
Yes, sir. Ulela kakhulu umkhulu wami. And yes, for the people that don't know you again, umkhulu wami, what are you all about wena mkhulu?
Okay, uSex Magida i-artist yabo. Abaninzi bamazi ngo-DJ, abanye bamazi ngo-events, but mina ngokwami ndisibiza the-artist because within the entertainment industry okanye music there's a lot of things endizenzayo. So the reason why ndisibiza nge-artist indlela endisihlonipha ngayo leyo yabo. So ndingumuntu osemculweni, ndingumuntu oku-entertainment, uthando lelo umculo ne-entertainment ngikhule nalo ake ndazofikelela kule ndawo. So basically nje in simple terms ngu-DJ lo, producer, event organizer, music publisher, I'm also a songwriter, ngoma zami ndazibhalela. So nje yilo package.
Yes sir. Mahle mkhulu wami ayiqongile. Angisoze ngiwaqophe. Mahle kakhulu. Mkhulu wami silapha. Umkhulu usi-invitile. Ngiyacela mani. Ngoba uzabe ibukele naye. Bazabe bebukele as a team. What do we say to them? Okanye wena i-message yakho to u-X team yakhe. Umkhulu.
Yeah, no, X uspanile kakhulu le team yakhe and it's not something that we're not used to. X ndimthanda ngayo events zakhe yazipush. Every time asenze event ne team yakhe abaclean push an event. So I won't lie to you, this is massive for me. Ngaphandle kokugcwala nje kuphela, the fact that abantu they even bakwazi babalandela i-team, it shows ukuthi respecta the event, respecta the team enze i-event plus nomnikazi wayo. So into kanjalo imnandi iyathi ukuqonda because ayiphelelanga ekutheni I know ebekugcwele phako respect X. No, akukurespect into bana abantu hayi bekugcwele kuphela. People they listen to X. If X would make you black, abantu bamamela. So I respect that and isponsor ke sihlonipha kakhulu, especially the team yakhe esebenzisana naye. Nami as an artist ebhukwe apha like everything and phathwe kahle. from the start siqala umbhuka futhi X neteam yakhe up until now, even sifika, the hospitality, the vibes and everything, the performance, that's why I made sure nami performance bana because basenze I won't say much ngezinye artists I don't know, but I'm definitely sure into yokubana sonke siphatheke ngolu hlobo. So now I would say nje kwi-team ka-X mna naye ndabulela kakhulu, siphatheke kahle kakhulu, ayiphinyile ngayethu kuphela ubana siphatheke kakhulu, even nabantu abalapha I'm sure they are happy besides thini artist.
Yes sir, yo mahle kakhulu mkhulu wami, for the people that want to see you, the people that want to book you, abantu abafuna ukuxhumana nawe ufumane kanjani umkhulu?
Okay, for bookings and also mhlambe nezinye izinto inquiries and stuff, so inumber yami ithi 079418 9557 079418 9557. If uya WhatsApp uyabulisa ungena straight epointini bana okay uzothini yazintroducer asibuzothi uzokwazi umphendula. And then social media uZex Makita yonke indawo, uZex wami ke uZYKES ayingoZAKES, so uZYKES everywhere, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok naku YouTube. Imix abafuna abathanda umculo, imix nazo zonke sikhona ku YouTube. Please bangifollow and then bathi get to know me better, and then babone nezinto endizipostayo, bathi keep up with my journey and what I'm doing.
And congratulations to 1 million views. We're going to 2 million, just don't believe me with that.
No, actually it's 2 million already.
Oh,
it's 2. It's 2.5 million. Siyaku-3 ku-YouTube, but ku-Spotify it's 1.7, so close to 2 million ku-Spotify. So akufani yakhula. And also lastly nje ngizokhupha i-EP next week. Le EP endiyikhuphayo, there's nothing special more than ukuthi I'm just giving abantu a taste of what I've been giving them the whole year. For me le EP is just a celebration and also no grateful support endiyithole ebantwini kumculo wami, yabapha yabo asikho isidingo soba ndikhuphe umculo because already ngoma ndizikhuphe zane and bazithandile, but yena nalani bano mani bakhuphe le project ibe khona ndiwuvala unyaka.
Yes sir.
Ukubulela nje kuphela, and also a low-key celebration for its success yengoma ezikhona.
Man, we've been seeing you, and I'll tell you, we respect you, siyakuthanda umculo wakho, and me myself Tetelana nababalandeli bethu siyakusupport and we are behind you 100%. Keep doing you uZex Makita. Thank you so much Roman, and we hope nathi sawufika bakushow yakho. I know uhlala unento emthatha.
Yeah, 26 December we're doing the homecoming lehlale ndiyenza, but this year alisayibiza ngoZex Makita homecoming, sengumthatha homecoming abantu bonke ayiseyo yami, abantu bangisupportile 5 years ndiyenza. Now we're starting a new chapter, but with the same concept, changing the name and also welcoming everyone, because I want the event to be a pride of Mthatha as much as Ibiyo and also pride of the province. Event yabantu akuseyo yami yethu soma 26 December, abantu bandicheck bandifollow sokuhlale beyibona. And then lastly ngicela abantu baseMthatha, the province everywhere, nilandele Mthatha Mtshana podcast. Abafethu bayakhula, nathi siyasupportana i-podcast sizihloniphe. Please guys,
yes sir. Roman yami ndabulela kakhulu. I hope you have a good night. Yes man, God bless. Ukwande nalapho uthatha khona mkhulu wami. Thank you so much. Yes man, if you're watching this, hit the like button, subscribe, make sure you follow and share. Santana bafethu.
Eat the party one time.
Hey yo, we back again with another one. I got a beautiful queen with me. Ngiyabona mos. But as always, saza ndithi bangibani. Nguye ozosixelela uba ngubani. Siswam uright namhlanje.
Ushavu njani?
Akhona siswami. Igama lami ngilunga kwaMatikane and there's a show kuthiwa ngumthatha mchana podcast.
Okay, cool.
But I have a name. Xa ngisenza le show kuthiwa Local Connect ZA. So ndarapper no rapper.
Okay, Shav.
That's how I Siswam, I have this platform, yeah, lapha eMthatha. We're just meeting people. It's conversating here with people. Wena Siswam, first question of the day. Ungubani?
Igama lami ndinguyanda Xolelo.
Yes.
Ndingumagqarha umCorho Vambane from a village called Kumanzimdaka eNgcobo apha ephondweni.
Yes. Engcobo akalungu walapha wena yafana. Because Ngcobo uMthatha into eyi-1 le.
Ku609.
Yabo Tholo Ngcobo Mthatha Lipoto zonke.
The whole shebang.
You know what I mean? Okay, Siswam, you're looking beautiful by the way.
Pardon?
You're looking beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Ndibamba ngazo zozibini.
Yes, ma'am. Siswam, are you enjoying yourself?
I really am. I'm so happy to be here today because it's not just about wearing all black, it's about celebrating all things for X Entertainment, and I'm here for that. Supporting Abantu balapha eMthatha and all things entertainment as well. So I'm here for that.
With that being said, siselapho futhi kulo ndawo kwesupport into yaseMthatha. A message to the host yanamhlanje. Awunoba nje umyalezo nje pha ku-Mr. X.
Mr. X, I'd like to say to him, but keep pushing. We see you, we love you, we support you, we're here, and sisizmisile ukuxhasa kuyo yonke into oyenzayo. That's on period.
Yeah. So what are you doing?
I'm a student counselor. My job is to listen to Mikowe Abantu each and every single day, and that's why it's important for me. I'm also a creative, amongst other things.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm just
dabbling with those
two things as well. Because creatives, you can't really box them into anything.
Yeah.
It's multifaceted. We can dab into anything, be it music, fashion, everything that comes with it.
It's all about that, and I believe umuntu wethu sabantu babantu ne.
True.
It's just in our nature to create.
It is.
Yes, man. Okay. Are you staying in Mthatha?
Oh yes, I am.
Okay, but let's not reveal your location. But abantu abafuna usipana nawe for the creative side, because already andifuna ukungena into zespan sakho.
Okay, cool.
Because
outside. Entertainment industry tonight.
So yeah, abantu bayafumana on socials bafumana njani?
It's at Yanda Xolelo on Facebook, Yanda Xolelo on Instagram as well, and then Yanda_Xolelo on TikTok.
Yes. Yanda.
You got it.
Yes. Okay, I got a trick question. Hebrews.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Describe love life yakho with a liquor bottle.
With a what?
liquor bottle nje mbizela noma yephi liquor bottle describe love life yakho.
Liquor bottle.
It can even be a flower.
A flower. A daisy.
A daisy.
Okay, water lily. It's hard to find. Ngabile njengomjolo wamakhondo.
I hope nivile. Okay, man. Chatty Yana Sabulela mfethu.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Keep the lovely spirit.
Thank you so much.
I hope uThixo akwandisele nalapho uthatha.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy your night.
Thank you.
Beautiful Mthatha people, we back again. We got the main man right now. Sifumene usingaye straight. But as always, Mthatha Mtshana podcast wenza kanje. We never say ubangibalo simphethelele. Sifuna yena anixelele ngokwakhe uba ungubani. Khomani yami, kuhle mkhulu.
Shabuze jam.
Shabu khomani yami. Khomani yami lona uthetha naye ngulunga kwaMaDikana. Kubhukula ke lo umkhwanazi umhlophosi sitha ngumhlophe mina singaba ngapha ke lisikisiki thina bathi mina ndikhulele apha ke Tax as ke nimbona na ku entertainment ndigrunyaneni Godmanzi. I look up to you guys. The established ke le podcast wa Mthatha Mtshana. Yes sir. So dada umise kuzoba nalanto yakhe yayazi ke uneza special zakho nyaka nonyaka yabo season season xa uthandile ngisakubonga. Okay but khona abantu basemthatha nabangakwaziyo ababukele le podcast ngicela nje mkhuluwa uzazise uba wena ungubani.
Ndiyazazisa yo straight.
Yes sir.
Ngudlamini usisi Njokwenu Lamyeni Nqobo Noboya khona igama into kwa Gilman.
Yes sir.
Khona ke apha kwa entertainment as ngo-X Entertainment and push events 3 cm mini skate party nangoku siku event yam OOTT All Black. Thanks to Mthatha Mtshana.
Yes sir.
Bayibe khona apha.
Yes sir.
Danko njayam.
Khomani.
Danko njayam.
Nami ndiyabulela Brian.
Danko njayam.
Ndiyabulela khomani. Khomani yami wayibeka yacwenga la intro. For everyone okwaziyo.
Yes.
And everyone ongakwaziyo.
Yes.
Mr X makasti take back.
Yeah.
Uba siqala njani Mr X 2 basifike apha. Just quick nje usithi abantu
collect DJN my guys.
Yes sir.
Lende collect DJN 2018 and then nda inspired xa ndibona abantu abanjengo PK late PK may his soul rest in peace.
RIP.
Safunda ke ndafunda in fact ndazixelela uba one day I'll do it by myself njengoba nangoku sisaqhuba and sizawuqhuba
usazawuyiwa.
Danko njayam.
Funny enough, you talk about the late PK.
Yes.
Yes. Ngancepha ayincanca kuni
sonke
like Godman.
Yes right.
I think nami lucky because dikla era ndibona Godman uyidibanisa lento uyidibanisa yabona nami zami ungenapho ndikwazi ungena khona Godman. So Godman siyabulela.
Thank you so much my brother.
Godman yami abantu bakho xa bajongile namhlanje ithini into yabo ba right
bonwabile ba happy.
Yeah. And to them message
kukhona Tom Langa zeMonti.
Yes sir.
Tom Langa zebhayi
yaliva
Joburg sonke siyapha eMthatha
explain
Danko bafethu
yaniva
the game changer
yaniva
Danko
Khomani siyakuthanda siyabulela ngoba ungagive up ku-youth ndivile youth apha ndikhe nda-interview youth ithetha kamnandi ngawe ithi youth uyayisupporta youth and everything man like you keep uplifting uyababhuka yabona Khomani. So Khomani, thank you so much. please keep adding and ndiyacela uThixo akwandisele apho uthatha khona rhulumani yami yabo rhulumani yami for abantu abangakwaziyo bawufumane kanjani masibabambe phaya emakhasini.
Alright, on Facebook Xola Morgan Gilman, Instagram wadlala uX, siphinde futhi Facebook OOTD All Black, siphinde futhi Facebook 3 cm miniskirt party, kuTikTok nguX Dango Bafethu.
Wait. Khona le pani yimisile. You got artists here.
Yes.
They came.
Yes.
And they laid their hearts out on the floor. Sithini kubo?
Ndiyabulela ndithi Dlamini.
Oh,
Dlamini ndiyabulela namazwi bafu.
khulumani yami. Siyabulela. Okay, for the podcast, Mthatha podcast. Basiye.
Mthatha
Podcast. Yeah man. Ndizaba phakathi nje ngonta seyigqibile then sibe sayivala. Yabulela khona.